Okay guys, my OMG extruder from Amazon just arrived. Nice little box. This is the model that I got. And opening up the box, here we go. What do we have inside? Well, apparently there's some kind of literature if I log online. It's kind of nice, unlike the Chinese clones. We have underneath it here. We have the actual extruder. Get this on out of here. I'm doing this one-handed. One day I'll have a nicer camera and tripod, but here we are. It feels really nice. Looks good. Flip it over. All metal gear. Wow, much nicer than the normal plastic gears. This thing is light for being metal. Let's see what this has to say. Say 62 grams, and it's coming in without any hardware at 60.7. So I'd say it's pretty accurate considering they've got all these extra goodies inside, which I have no idea. What I've read online, it could be set up a little bit differently here and there, but let's see. So here's the accessories. Some bearings, pinion gear, springs, screws, all that fun stuff. We have inside here. Not exactly sure why we have this because I'm not aware of it coming with a stepper motor, but okay, cool. What is up with this thing? Okay, I can't get at it one-handed, but it's got, okay, I see what it is. Little DuPont single pins to hook it in. However, I was gonna say I didn't think this is the one that came with the stepper motor, though one of them do. Okay, here's some more hardware. And they gave all kinds of little goodies here. Not exactly sure what that part is, but okay, it matches the picture. Alright. And finally, well actually no, not finally, there's still more stuff in here. They call that the free gift. Some fittings. Standard PTFE tube, and of course some more Allen wrenches for the collection. So there we have it. It's the OMG EXTRD D1 kit that I got off Amazon. It's really nice. I can't wait to get it set up. It's supposed to be 3-in-1 ratio. I'm just blown away how light this is for being metal. Not even sure how exactly it opens up yet, but I'll get that far in time and fill you all in. So for the time being, here we are. OMG EXTRD 1:3 ratio, all metal dual drive extruder. Going to be installed on Ender 3 Pro version 1. So there you have it.